Hey there friends, so real quick tutorial here on how to use a caulk gun. Caulk gun, this one, if you have your silicone or whatever, a lot of times they have a seal down here, so that's what this little deal is for. You push that in there, stick it into the tube there, and perforate the film that's protecting that. So then that can go up. Sometimes if you do that, it's going to get some silicone or whatever on there. You just take the paper towel, wipe that off so it stays clean. Obviously I had some issues with this one. We got tar and everything all over it, but it still works. Okay, so for these, the principle is fairly easy, fairly simple. It has these ridges on one side. You rotate it and it's smooth. So these also have, a lot of these have a little blade there. If you need to slice off the end of your tube, you can just put it in there and cut that with a razor thing. Don't put your finger in there or anything, just like that. Okay, so in order for this to get the tube in there, you rotate this so the smooth side is down, rotate it so this is down, and pull it all the way back. So if it's here, you want to make sure your tube's all the way back, or that part here. Now you can place your tube in there just like that. This part goes in first, and then that front part drops down in there like that. Okay, to remove it, it's the same. Just lift that up, push it back as far as you can, lift that upwards, and then pull it out. So mine's kind of tight because I had a lot of caulking get up behind in there, so it hasn't pulled back all the way. So in order to get the silicone or whatever out of there, you would simply rotate this down so your ridges are pointed downward, and that allows it to grip, and then push this forward and get your silicone out. So once again, to remove that or to get it out, come backwards, you want to back it out just like that. So a lot of times if you're doing caulking something and you keep driving it and you want it to stop, so it's coming out and there's still pressure here, so it might keep oozing out right after you've done that. So you want it to like stop. So what you do is basically just back this off a little bit so it doesn't maintain that pressure. So say you just ran a bead of caulking and you want it to stop, but if you have this tightened, it might still be kind of still pushing that out. So just rotate that down, back it off a little bit, and that should help with stopping it from coming out. So thanks for watching this short little tutorial. You guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.